Welcome to the AIRISE SME Experiment Series. In this video, we'll explore how Turkish SME, Rock Textile, partnered with AIRISE in the D-TASE experiment to integrate artificial intelligence into their processes.
So, hello Ismail. Thank you for joining for this D-TASE experiment interview, which was part of the open call 2 of the AIRISE project. So, I'm happy to have you here for the interview. So, my name is Ahmed. I'm a PhD researcher at the DFK, and I was the main coordinator for this particular experiment. So,
Hello, Ahmed.
Thank you.
Hello, thank you for inviting me for today's meeting. I am Ismail from Rock Textile. I'm working as a head of R&D in the same company. And thank you for having me.
You're most welcome. So let's start by first, can you please start by giving a brief interview of your company and including its core operations and the sector in which you guys operate?
All right. Rock Textile established in 2005. We are operating different keys of the textile supply chain. And these chains includes R&D, design, production, marketing, washing, sewing, ironing departments. And we are collaborate with over 400 subcontracting units around the country. And our company specializes in both production of denim and non-denim garment manufacturing. And we are working with one of the most biggest global brands such as H&M, Zara, Bershka, and Mango. We also have our own brand called Cup of Joe Denim. And as we talk about our expertise lies in the development of efficient, innovative, and eco-friendly production processes. Because, the textile industry in which we are operating for more than 20 years is highly competitive, and we are committed to staying ahead of the industry by continuously developing and embracing new technologies and optimize our production processes.
Great, good to hear from you on that note. So the next question from my side is that what specific challenges or pain points led you to explore the AI solutions, and how did AIRISE come into this picture as a potential partner for you?
Okay. The primary challenge we faced was ensuring the consistent quality control in our production processes, particularly in the fabric defect detection system, because despite having a manual inspection system, human errors was inevitable, because in the manual inspection, the operator needs to look at the same counter, same fabric as more than 8 hours shifts. It's nearly not possible for human eye. And it was inevitable that's leading to inefficiencies and increase the production cost because of the missing wastages. And additionally, the faster production cycles, higher precision expectation in the quality became more pressure from us. So this is when we realized the AI-driven solutions could be a potential application for fabric defect detection system. And at that time, AIRISE came into the picture as a potential partner, because we know that your expertise, especially in AI and machine learning, particularly in applying the manufacturing sectors and processes. So that's why we would like to become a partner with AIRISE team, because their experience and innovative support, they had seemed like a perfect fit for our needs.
Thank you. So let's move on to the third question, which is like, can you please describe the main product or solutions AIRISE helped you to implement, and what was the intended business outcome for it?
Okay. The main product the AIRISE helped us implement an AI-powered fabric defect detection system into our existing conventional fabric defect detection production lines. The system uses an machine learning algorithms to automatically identify the defects and also the fabrics in real time. So as a result, the human error significantly reduced and the accuracy of the result is increased at the quality control system. And the intended business outcome was to improve the operational efficiency, reducing waste, minimizing the defects in the finished products by automating the inspection process. So we aim to accelerate the production timelines while also improving the product quality. So as a result, we are expected to reduce the cost and increase the customer satisfaction.
Good. Seems good.
Yeah.
So then at the start of the project, what were your initial expectations from integrating the AI into your processes or services?
At the start, our main expectation was to enhance the speed and accuracy of our quality control process. We aim to automate the inspection process to reduce the reliance on manual inspection and the errors associated with the manual inspection. That's lead to lower defect rates and improved our product consistency, of course. We also hope that the AI could provide a predictive insight into potential issues, allowing us to optimize our production efficiency. And we also considered that AI could help us to become a more sustainable company by reducing the material waste. So it's also at the same time, it's mean that they're reducing the environmental impact coming from our production operations. It's also helped us to become a more sustainable company.
Good to hear about that. So then what have been the most significant benefits your company has experienced from the use of AI, both in terms of efficiency and the overall business value?
The implementation of AI in our production process has at a significant value in terms of the both efficiency and overall business value. And when we are talking about one of the most notable benefits has been the improvement of course, our quality control process. The AI-powered defect detection system has reduced the time spent on the manual inspection and increased the accuracy of the defect identification. And it's resulted then in a fewer product defects and a reduction in waste, of course.
Can you share any specific examples of how AI has enhanced your operations, decision-making, or customer service?
AI had an important impact in terms of decision-making process, and in particularly of quality control and operational efficiency. So if I need to give an example, is that the real-time defect detection system we implemented with supporting by AIRISE. Previously, manual inspection were inclined to errors and inconsistencies. Now with AI, we can now identify defects immediately as the fabric moves through the production line. Through the continuous studies, the machine operational speed was increased to 20 meters per minute, and it's meaning that 33% improvement when we compare with the conventional human inspection system. Additionally, when assessing the second quality rate from the samples produced with these fabric used in the studies, we have observed that it's going to decrease approximately 15%. It was 1.33% if I'm sorry, it was 1.56% before AI integration, and now our second quality production rate is 1.33%. This has not only reduced the defects, but also helped us to improve to customer service by delivering higher quality products to our customers. Thanks to AIRISE support, of course.
It's really great to hear about some of the benefits and advantages which this AI solution gave to your company. Now I would like to hear about some of the challenges which you encountered. So my first question is like, what were some of the anticipated challenges you expected during the AI implementation? And were there any unforeseen obstacles that arose during the project?
Yeah, one of the anticipated challenges when we are talking about AI is, of course, collection of data, collection of necessary data. So to address this issue, we have applied a standardized approach by consistent illumination, location, distance methods has been implemented based on the test bed. Additionally, we use the TR2 storage cloud, which is our partner in this project, to secure the data storage problem. And another significant challenge was integrating AI into existing industrial processes. This required the AI systems into our company's operations integrated smoothly with minimal disruption. We get over this problem by supporting AIRISE team because of their training and model deployment. And as an unforeseen obstacle, I could say that we did not anticipate that the lightning would be such an important issue, such a significant challenge, because initially we conducted the preliminary test using the conventional lightning in the conventional fabric inspection machine, but we quickly realized that we need much higher illumination, around 1000 lumen was required to get desired image quality for detection of defects by using AI. So we had to test these different types of lighting products from different suppliers, and immediately we found an optimal lighting setup, which enabled us to achieve desired results in the AI-controlled fabric defect detection system.
Okay, so how did the AIRISE team help you address these challenges, and what strategies or tools were most effective in overcoming them?
AIRISE team played a crucial role in addressing these challenges, particularly managing the dataset issues and optimizing the AI model. Their expertise in data training, machine learning experiences allowed us to overcome training and model deployment process. This was one of the most important part of this project, and their approach allowed us to make adjustments on the model that developed by using our data. And we always communicate with the AIRISE team. They support us, and if there's any challenge, they resolve promptly, allow us to stay focused on achieving our project goals. That's I can say.
Good. So can you provide some information regarding the specific services or tools provided by AIRISE, which are most useful for you, for your company, and how did these contribute to the success of your AI initiative?
The most useful service provided by AIRISE team was experiments for training and model deployment in the AI application by using the dataset. Their support about developing, testing, and optimizing the AI model was important to success of this application. They helped us to train the model using a large and diverse data set and makes us to ensure that the AI system was capable of accurately identify and classify various types of fabrics and the defects. So therefore, we were able to improve the efficiency of our fabric defect detection system.
Great. So now we have already discussed about the challenges which you guys face and the different AI tools which are employed to actually overcome those challenges. Now let's discuss the future expectations and the final considerations. So looking forward, what are your future expectations regarding the continued use of AI in your company? And how do you see AIRISE contributing to your long-term goals?
And looking forward, we expect to continue to integrate AI into our existing operations because we saw that AI play an important role, especially for optimizing the process, particularly as we did in the real-time fabric defect detection. And as a next step, we see that as we all aware about the consumption of energy coming from the textile industry is huge. That's why we would like to focus on energy consumption optimization. And then we could apply supply chain optimization. And also there's another opportunity for forecasting because AI is really good about in that term, of course. And AI's ability processing the huge amounts of data provide an actionable insights for us. And that will help us to make informed decisions, make more precision decisions. That's to increase the operational efficiency and reduce the cost in the long term. And we also see that the AI being a key enabler in our sustainability goals by optimizing and minimizing the wastages, reducing the resource consumption through smart manufacturing practices. And AIRISE expertise and support have already a significant impact on our current business and on the way our digital transformation. We see them as a valuable partner in this situation. With their continued involvement, we hope to expand the use of AI for further automation and digitalization.
Nice. So has your perspective on AI changed since you partnered with AIRISE, and what advice would you give to other businesses who are considering the AI consulting services?
Since partnering with AIRISE team, especially for my perspective, on AI has expanded, I can say that, because AIRISE expertise has shown us how AI can integrate smoothly into the conventional existing systems and provide smart manufacturing, turning into the smart manufacturing systems that improve the conventional system. And my advice would be to the other business considering AI consulting or application services would be to establish a strong partnership with experts like AIRISE team, because the AI adoption journey can be challenging, but with the right partner and right guidance, it becomes both manageable and also rewarding.
Good. So now I would like to conclude with one final question, and it would be like, if you could describe your AI journey with AIRISE in one word or phrase, what would it be and why?
If I had to describe in one sentence, I would say that this similar that I was said previous question, that the right partner is one of the most important factors for a project's success in the application of AI. The AIRISE team, with their expertise and capabilities, understood the problem very quickly, and we were aiming to solve. And the model they developed met our expectations. This is why having right project partner is so crucial by applying this type of project.
Okay, good to hear your thoughts on this experiment, and I really thank you for giving us the time to share your thoughts about this experiment. And I hope that these AI services have really improved your business overall. So thank you for giving us the time, and yes, have a nice
I
day.
would like to thank you at the beginning. Thank you for your support during the project, and I also thank the whole AIRISE team for their support and helping us to become a more digital and more sustainable company. Thank you.
Thank you. We are also welcome. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the innovative experiments of the AIRISE project. To stay updated and learn more about our journey, subscribe to our social media channels and visit our website at airise.eu. Together, let's shape the future of AI in manufacturing. This project is funded by the European Union